go with the requirement. So we have three hardware devices here. Okay, one is temperature sensor, and another one is IR sensor, and another one is fan. Okay, so first of all I will include these three pin modes. Okay, so go for as defined. Okay, so IR, so I will assign with A naught and define with another pin called fan. Okay, or I will take LM35. So here I will use LM35. So if you want, you can also use the DST11 code also. Okay, so just for sake of simplicity I will use LM35. Okay, so just I will connect it with the A1 pin. Okay, so then again I will define, so fan. Okay, that will attach with 13 pin. Okay, so now you have to make this as an input and output, right? So here these two pins are input and the fan is the output. Okay, so make it as an input and output using pin mode function register. Okay, pin mode, so IR becomes input now. Okay, so and again pin mode, so LM35, LM35, again it is an input, right? So then so we have another device called fan, so that will act as an output. Okay, make it as an output. Okay, so this is the pin declaration. Okay, so IR input, LM35 input, and fan is output. Okay, so now in the loop, what is my main operation? Okay, so first I need to read the temperature. Okay, go for reading the temperature int. Okay, int, so I will take only one variable. Okay, so can go with the previous structure also. Okay, just I will take it temp. Okay, so and I will go for unlog read, unlog read. Okay, unlog read of LM35, right? So then, sorry, LM35, so then, so I need to convert, so just I will take temp. Okay, so is equal to temp into 0.5. Okay, so now I'm converting into degree Celsius. Okay, so now, so before going into the condition, so again I need to read the another sensor, right? So just I will take int object. Okay, so digital read, so of IR sensor. Okay, so now, so I will go for the IR sensor operation. Okay, if the person is detected or not, or present or not, so we are going to do that. So just go for the condition. Okay, so here, so otherwise first I will go for the flow. Okay, so first I need to read the temperature, then I need to check the threshold value. Okay, so for threshold value I will use int threshold. Okay, is equal to 33. So you can set to as your wish. Okay, so 33, and go for the condition. So just I will take if, so what is called temp is the variable and greater than equals to or threshold value. Okay, if it is reaches threshold value, so then, so print the information on the LCD, right? Here I have the LCD. Okay, otherwise you can print on the serial monitor, no problem. Okay, so just for using LCD here, so that I need to include the LCD also. Okay, so go to the sketch and include library, then include the liquid crystal and mention the pin number LCD. I'll use 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so then initialize this LCD using LCD dot, okay, LCD dot begin 9, okay, sorry, 6 comma 16 comma 2. Okay, so now I will print information on the LCD display, that is IR. Okay, so first of all LCD dot clear, so then print LCD dot print higher temperature. Okay, higher temp, so just I will take higher temp. Okay, so then after that, so just give the delay for visibility. Okay, so then just I'll give the 1 second delay. So okay, so now I am printing so higher temperature on the LCD display. Okay, so then I need to go for the, if the person is present or not, I need to check whether person is entered or not. Okay, so just I'm already reading the information from the IR sensor. Okay, so and I will store into the object. Okay, so then I'll go for the condition. Okay, so if, okay, here if object, okay, so if the object is equal to low, so when the IR sensor is detected, so that will provide low level signal, so that's why I'm taking low. Okay, after that, so then I will go for condition like, so count variable, so I will take count. Okay, so count plus plus, after that just use the delay of 500 or 1 second something. Okay, so after incrementing, so just use another condition. Okay, if count is equal to 1, okay, so then turn on the fan, right? So for turning on, so we should use digital write, so fan comma 1. So if the count is 2, okay, if count is equal to 2, so then turn off the fan. So digital write fan comma 0. Okay, so you can see here, so read the temperature and check the threshold. If the condition is true, print higher temperature on the LCD display. After that, so we need to check the person presence. Okay, if the person is entered the room, so then we have to turn on the fan. If it is not, then turn off the fan. Okay, so this is the simple code. Okay, but here we have the disadvantages. Okay, so just we can go for the operation. So you can see here I'm reading the temperature. Okay, and I'm reading IR sensor as well. Okay, so if the temperature reaches threshold value, so obviously it will display higher temperature, no problem. So here, so it will detect person only when the temperature is greater than threshold, or when the temperature is reaches to the threshold. Okay, so then only it will detect an object. Okay, okay, then it will take the count of the IR sensor value. Okay, so this is the disadvantages when you are using this condition in the if statement. Okay, so on this loop basically. Okay, so that purpose, so make it use outside the loop. Okay, so just I will copy this line. Okay, okay, this code, so just print, so if temperature greater than equal to threshold, so then you are printing higher temperature value. So for turning on the fan, we need to take the counter variable. Okay, so now I will take the count. Okay, if object is low, so whenever IR sensor detected, okay, so just I will count the number. Okay, you can see here, so at the first, so I'm checking the condition. Okay, so the presence condition, so if the object is detected by the IR sensor, just I'm incrementing the count. Okay, so after that, after incrementing the count, okay, so then we can use the condition in the this loop. Okay, if the temperature reaches threshold value, then I need to take the count, right? So then we can use make use of this condition. Okay, so if the temperature reaches threshold value, so printing higher temperature, so then we can directly use the if count condition. Okay, if the count is equal to 1, because so this count already incremented when the person is detected at the previous, okay, or at the start condition. Okay, so then, so if it is if this condition is true, then it will turn on the fan. If it is not, okay, if it is if the count is 2, so then it will turn off the fan. Okay, so this is your complete code for first requirement. Okay, so let's see again. I will explain. Okay, first we are including the LCD library and we are defining pins for that. Okay, so then we have IR sensor. Okay, so we are defining IR sensor, LM35 sensor and fan. Okay, so then we are defining threshold value. After that, in the setup function, so you are making the particular pin as an input and output. So then you are initializing LCD. Okay. So in the while loop section, so you are reading the temperature value. Okay. So then after you are reading the IR sensor value. Okay. If every time IR sensor is detecting, okay, so then you are making the count, incrementing the count. Okay. So if it is not, so then it will ignore that condition. Okay, so just if the IR sensor detected, then only the count will incremented by every time. Okay, incremented by 1 specifically. Okay, so then after that it will check the temperature. It will continuously checking the temperature value. Okay, whenever the temperature value reaches threshold, so then it will enter the loop. So in the loop you are printing IR temperature. Okay, it will wait for 1 second. Again it will go for another condition called checking the presence of the person. Okay, presence of the person. If the count is equal to 1, then it will turn on the fan. If the count is equal to 2, then it will turn off the fan. Okay, so then again, so if you want to print the normal temperature, so you can use LCD here. Okay, at the start you can use the LCD code. So just clear the LCD display. Okay, at the start clear, then print temperature value. So like this. Okay, temp. Okay, print LCD dot print temp. Okay, then you can print the temperature value. So that's all. So it will print the temperature value. Okay, just I will use this line at the end. Okay, so after finishing all job, so it will print the temperature value. Okay, so this is only one task. Okay, so this is code for one task. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್